Hello once again, Russ Sallow with GPS to Go, celebrating 13 years in business and very proud to be a long-standing member of the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. If you're not a member of your local Better Business Bureau, you may want to consider that a wonderful way to network and to show that you really care about how you conduct yourself as a small business. Today, what I wanted to show you is something that is new inside of Geotab, and you're going to see the new user interface icons. This is just a little bit of that, and I'm going to just dive right in, so let's have a look. Inside the user interface currently, that most everybody is used to seeing, Geotab does a great job. So it's nice, colorful, well laid out. There's a bunch of new improvements that will be coming for the desktop as well as the mobile application. And I'm going to just give you a small teaser of what you can do with this today. So inside of your desktop application, if you want to try this out, click on Settings, go to Users. In this case, I'm going to go here to one of my accounts. You'll click on UI Settings, and then down here we've got a button called Feature Preview. If I turn that on, I'm going to hit Save, and then I'm going to refresh that. We're going to see the new user interface, and this is in what's called Feature Preview. And to turn that off, if you're not comfortable, just go in reverse. You can click back on the name. You can go back in under user settings, UI settings, I should say, right? And then turn that off. But for this example, what I'll do is run through some examples and show you what this all looks like. So we'll let this load up. So the mapping is going to look just the same as you're used to, but the way they lay it out is going to be a little more clear, a little more sedate. Trip history as an example. Now you've got a layout, and people have said sometimes it was hard to read, it was hard to understand what means what. So I'm able to go in and search for my vehicle that I want to work with. Right? You're able to go in with your options. Say I can go in for this month. Same idea as before. So Russ Sallow, my vehicle, stop duration. Very similar and nicely laid out. Again, you're able to see that and click anywhere along that line and see the breadcrumb trail. So driving duration, distance, everything is all laid out in there. Easy to look at. Your mapping with your geofencing is all the same. Some of the other icons, so your vehicles are nicely laid out. And again, this new navigation sidebar makes it a little more user-friendly inside of the mobile application. It actually cleans this up completely and makes it easy to go in and see where all your different vehicles are. So there's a new look, modernized look. Our rules wizard is in here. Again, so it's got a more modern, clean look. Geotab, of course, is always improving what they're doing. So that ties in with the new design specifications. And also, you can look here what's new in MyGeotab version 2004 that was published last fall. And there's a lot in there about many, many different parts of it you can read up on. So I'm Russ Sallow with GPS to Go, and now you know.